This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap. Stocks managed to close the session unchanged after opening higher by the triple digits. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was lower by about a point at 13,235, while the Nasdaq lost 11 points at 2541. The S&P 500 declined by 1.5 at 1462. Federal Reserve policymakers' uncertainty over the credit crunch's toll on U.S. growth is making them increasingly unlikely to cut interest rates before their September 18th meeting. Fed officials are gathering anecdotes from the dozen district banks to assess economic conditions. The effort is needed because policymakers expect to learn little from government reports for July, such as durable goods orders or new home sales, which will reflect conditions before a collapse in securities backed by subprime mortgages prompted a crisis of confidence in global markets. Bank of China said it holds almost $9.7 billion of U.S. securities backed by U.S. subprime loans, the most of any Asian company. The Beijing bank set aside 1.15 billion won against possible losses on asset-backed securities and collateralized debt obligations backed by loans to borrowers with poor credit history, it said in a statement today. The bank announced first-half net income of 29.5 billion won. Countrywide Financial said Bank of America made a $2 billion investment in the company Wednesday as the nation's largest mortgage lender tries to weather a credit crunch that's rocked Wall Street and the mortgage industry. Under the terms of the deal, Bank of America acquired $2 billion in the form of non-voting convertible preferred stock yielding 7.25% annually. The shares can be converted into common stock of Countrywide at $18 per share with certain restrictions. Lehman Brothers said it's closing its subprime mortgage unit BNC Mortgage Limited and firing 1,200 people, becoming the latest company to stop offering home loans to less creditworthy borrowers. BNC has a top 20 subprime mortgage lender in 2006, originating more than $14 billion worth of loan. Steinmart said second quarter profits fell 74% as it marked down merchandise. Net income for the quarter fell to $2.2 million or 5 cents per share from $8.3 million or 19 cents per share in the prior quarter. Analysts expected a profit of 5 cents per share. Scheduled economic reports for Friday includes durable goods for July and new home sales for July. Scheduled earnings report for Friday include Ann Taylor, H.G. Heinz, Skillsoft, Burger King, and MicroStar International. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap.